Welcome to the session on the unitary method, interchanging between unitary and several items. The objectives for this session are learning how to calculate the value of many objects of the same kind when the value of one of these objects is given, and calculate the value of one object when the value of many objects of the same type is given. If the value of one object is known, we can find the value of many objects of the same kind simply by multiplication. Let's take a look at an example. If the cost of one pen is 10 rupees, how much do 25 pens cost? So let's solve this. We're going to write this as the cost of one pen equals 10 rupees. So therefore, in order to find the cost of 25 pens, we multiply both sides by 25. Which equals 250 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 25 pens is 250 rupees. We're now going to take a look at calculating the value of one object when the value of many objects of the same type is given. Let's take a look at an example. If the cost of 7 bananas is 35 rupees, how much do 9 bananas cost? We're going to start by trying to find the cost of one banana. So let's solve this. We have that the cost of 7 bananas equals 35 rupees. So in order to find the cost of one banana, we divide both sides by 7 to give one banana equals 35 divided by 7 rupees, which equals 5 rupees. Therefore, if the cost of one banana equals 5 rupees, we multiply both sides by 9 to give that the cost of 9 bananas is equal to 45 rupees. So the cost of 9 bananas is 45 rupees. Now let's take a look at another example. If a secretary types 13 pages in 52 minutes, how long will it take her to type 15 pages? So let's solve this. We have that the time to type 13 pages is 52 minutes. Therefore, the time taken to type one page will be 52 divided by 13 minutes, which equals 4 minutes. If we want to find the time taken to type 15 pages, we simply multiply by 15, since we have the time taken to type one page, which is of course 4 minutes. And 15 times 4 minutes is 60 minutes. So the secretary will type 15 pages in 60 minutes. Let's now take a look at a final example. If 7 litres of paint can cover 2,100 meters squared, how many square meters will 12 litres cover? So let's solve this. Now 7 litres covers 2,100 meters squared. Therefore, in order to find how much 1 litre will cover, we divide both sides by 7 to give 2,100 divided by 7. So the amount 1 litre covers is equal to 300 meters squared. In order to find how much 12 litres covers, we multiply both sides of the equation for 1 litre equals 300 meters squared by 12. To give 3,600 meters squared. Therefore, 12 litres of paint will cover 3,600 meters squared. This brings us to the end of this session. If you have understood its contents, you should be able to calculate the value of many objects of the same kind when the value of one of these objects is given, and also calculate the value of one object when the value of many objects of the same type is given. Thank you very much for listening. To understand this topic in greater depth, do attempt the exercises in your textbook related to this topic.